Hey everybody, I wanted to show you the new Easy Media Creator that will help you create some social media, maybe on the days you don't have any ideas or anything else to post. It's very simple. You can go to easymediacreator.com. There's some links on that website that will link directly to a new custom GPT that we built for you or to help you create some social media. Here's how it works. You pick your topic. You can type in a custom one down here or pick from one of the suggestions. I'm going to try stylish interior design trends. What it's going to do is it's going to give you 10 different topics or ideas that you could create social media around. So for instance, a minimalistic design, a bohemian style, a modern farmhouse, retro revival. I think I'm going to go with C, bohemian style. So you just type in C, whatever corresponds to the topic you want to create media about. The next step is going to do 2 or 3 things, 4 things in a row. It's going to create a couple different captions for you to pick from. It's also going to create some hashtags that you can use in your post. It'll create an alternative image suggestion. So if you don't want to use the AI image, you could go out and take a picture of yourself in some bohemian type setting. So like the alternative image suggestion here is: consider a photo of you in a bohemian styled room or space, showcasing elements like colorful cushions, tapestries, unique art pieces that reflect the style. Okay. Step 7 is where you get to make another choice. I think that this image is going to be an interior type image, so I'm going to go with A, which is a photorealistic image. A and B close-up cinematic images work great for interior photos. All the rest of them could be used for like landscaping or yards or exteriors of homes. They do real well with those. So I'm going to choose A here. The next step, it's going to ask me what size of image or what dimensions of an image I want: a square or a long for a story or a reel, or something wide for like a LinkedIn post. I'm going to do A, planning on putting this on Instagram and Facebook, so just a standard post. In step 9, it's actually going to create 3 different options of image prompts, and it uses these prompts to create the image for your social media. So you can read through here: a cozy, well-lit bohemian style living room during the day. The room features a plush, colorful rug, an electric mix of throw pillows and comfortable sofa, houseplants. Option B, bohemian style bedroom. Option C, a detailed view of bohemian style home office space. I think I'm going to go with option A. Type in A, and this is where we see what it creates. You'll have the options you'll see in a minute. If you don't like this image, you can take a look at option B or C, or create a new prompt, something that's more in line with what your vision is. So let's just see what it creates. Takes a little bit of time here. Okay, not exactly what I had in mind, so I'm going to take a look at option B. So I come down here, see option B, type in B. It was close, but it's a little bit too much going on in there, too many houseplants for me. I probably could have prompted it to say, use that image and remove most of the houseplants and give me a different rug, and it probably would have came up with something closer to what I was envisioning. But let's just see what option B looks like. Boom. That looks like a bohemian bedroom. I'm going to go with that one, so I choose A, use this option. The next step, it's going to ask me if I want to add a logo. You can upload your own logo at this point on the next question when it asks. We've already inserted a few. It's actually asking me to confirm that I want to use B, the bedroom picture. We've uploaded High Gardens logos and Easy Streets. a white version and a black version with a transparent black background. I'm going to try and put the white version with the transparent background on this image that we're looking at. I think I'm going to put it in the left-hand corner. So in step 11, it asks you what type of logo. You can either choose white, black, or you can upload your own. You know, if you have a team logo or a different brokerage logo or whatever, you can upload your own. But I'm going to go with the white logo, so I type in A. The next step, it's going to ask me where I want that logo. It should anyway. The lower left corner, lower center, lower right corner, upper left corner, upper center, upper right corner. I'm going to go with the lower left corner, so I type in A. Right now, and behind the scenes, it's going and fetching that logo. It's grabbing the image, and it's actually creating some Python code that takes the logo and overlays it on the image in the location that I asked it to put it in. So this takes a little bit of time, so it's analyzing it, and then it should, let's see here. The final image with the white high garden logo is placed in the lower left corner. This is important. Right here, it gives you a link, and this is where you can download the new image. The new image won't be displayed on your screen. You have to download it. So let's download this, and we'll take a look at it. Oh, there's my logo. So that worked perfectly. Now it's on my computer. I can take that image. We give you another caption based on the image, 6 new hashtags. So you take the image, the caption, the hashtags, put it out there on Instagram, Facebook, and you have a social media post completely done in less than 7 minutes. So you could probably do it a lot quicker if you didn't have to explain the process. If you have any questions, give me a call, shoot me a message, whatever. But I hope you guys enjoy this tool. Once again, you do need a ChatGPT Plus account. It's $20 a month. Hopefully this program will give you a reason to invest that $20. If you could, you'll have access to this program plus about 3 million other custom GPTs. So hope everyone has a great day.